maybe. Fun, Papa? Yeah. Good job. I see you did good job. Baby, I tried my best. We did our best on this little adventure thing, but I got 2 little pieces because I messed up, but I'm gonna just put some wood glue on it and call it a day. But he had fun, so we'll be back next month. Yeah, I'm so excited. I got to take him to a sky jump thing. We're the only ones here, so this is fun. Do it. You jumping? I'm about to set y'all up. We're about to swing on these. There you are. Go, Papa. Go, Papa. You got it. Yeah. Go, Papa. Ready? And go. His favorite section right here, these little swings. So yeah, I'll catch y'all whenever I catch y'all. We going up the sky tower, y'all. Go, Papa! I don't know if he's gonna jump, but we're gonna see. You can do it! It's soft. Yeah. You're very good job. You're very strong. He's scared. Look out, bro. We're on top of the world. Here we go. You think I can do it? Yeah. I'm strong. Okay. Here we go. Come on. Y'all give him pro. Go, Papa. Yay! Yeah. Y'all, we're at this local car show. Look at this. This is nice, y'all. Look at the interior.